When you're ready, go ahead and cut.
Count it off. 1, 2, 3. Somebody.
Perfect. Good. Everybody has to walk through now. Oh, now we're like,
All right, so I'm here in Natick, Massachusetts to attend the grand opening of NeuroG Therapeutics. This is a new biotech startup dedicated to developing small molecule therapeutics targeting metabolism for cancer and autoimmune disease. I'm quite excited to check out the new facility, the new office and lab. Hello, hi, thank you.
Control. She said, we gave it for your birthday.
So Vincent, congratulations, grand opening of NeuroG Therapeutics, very, very exciting. What is the meaning behind NeuroG Therapeutics?
Thank you, Thomas. Nirogi actually originated from Sanskrit. Its meaning is without illness. So our actually vision of Nirogi is to really try as hard as we can to really relieve the pain of suffering. So it's not just cancer, but we're trying to kind of bring people, the patients, to the without illness. So that's the goal.
Okay, well, we move on.
Yeah. All right. Good to see you, John.
Hey.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
See you
you.
again.
Thanks for coming.
It's a pleasure to see you.